If your iPhone gets hot while playing games after updating to iOS 26, don't worry. This usually happens due to background processes, new system indexing, or poor optimization in early versions of iOS updates. Let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Close all background apps before gaming. Swipe up from the bottom and pause to view running apps. Swipe away any unused apps, especially ones that use camera, location, or Bluetooth. This reduces background CPU usage while gaming. Also, open up your settings, go to General, scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Turn this off. This feature updates app in the background even when they're not opened, so turning it off can help. Solution 2. Offline your game. Open Settings, go to General, tap iPhone Storage. From here, find the game that is giving you trouble. Tap on it, then select Offload app and confirm the choice. Now reinstall the app from here. This will refresh the game and get rid of the bugs. If the game still shows you problems, then delete the game completely. Then go to the App Store to reinstall it. The update may have jeopardized the game's systems, so a new installation can fix the issue. Solution 3. Free up iPhone storage. With new updates come new storage issues. Major updates take almost up to 10 to 15 gigabytes of storage. You should go to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage again. From here, see if you have enough storage available. Offload or delete unnecessary apps and games from here to save space. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone settings. If your phone feels glitchy or games still don't behave properly, open Settings, then go to General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This won't delete your photos or data. Just reset settings like Wi-Fi, notifications, and layouts. Hopefully after this, your issue will be fixed. If this helped cool down your iPhone during games, give this video a thumbs up. Still overheating? Drop your iPhone model and the game name in the comments. I'll try to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone fix videos.